G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's lower grade material, mine run. Put some pieces I've put in there just as giveaway. They haven't got a lot of colour on them, but you might as well have them and have them to play with. Alright, I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Watch and colour. Just interesting pattern on that one. Quite thick potch colour on that piece. Piece like that. Maybe just cut that into an interesting pendant. Excuse me. Bit of Keroit type stone. Fairly hard, that piece. Piece has got nothing much in it. Like I said, I've just thrown some pieces in. It's mine run. This is the best piece in the parcel. A nice flash there. Nothing much else though. A lot of material for not a lot of money. It's great practice material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.